Hello there! Welcome to Mathematics Alive, Algebra Lesson 27, Age Problems. For our first problem, we have a mother is 3 years more than 6 times as old as her daughter. The sum of their ages is 45. How old are they? So we let X be the daughter's age because the daughter is the point of comparison and the age of the mother is being compared to the daughter. We have here the word than and as old as the daughter. So the age of the daughter will be represented by the variable X. And we let 6x plus 3 be the age of the mother because the mother is 3 years more than 6 times as old as the daughter. So our equation will be represented by the second sentence. We translate the second sentence directly. The sum of their ages is 45. So we just get the sum of these two. We have x plus 6x plus 3 equals 45. Then we solve for x. So we have 7x equals 45 minus 3. Then 7x is equal to 42. And dividing both sides by 7, we have x is equal to 6 years old. So this is the age of the daughter. And the age of the mother will be 6 times 6x plus 3. So that will be equal to 36 plus, or that will be equal to 39 years old. Okay, we can check that mentally by adding 6 plus 39, and that's equal to 45. Correct. Number 2. Anna is 3 times as old as her son. 4 years ago, she was 4 times as old as her son was at that time. How old is the son? So we have 2 ages here being mentioned, the present age and the ages 4 years ago. So we will represent this data on a table. So the present ages are represented here and the ages 4 years ago are represented here. The age of the son will be represented by the variable x since Anna's age is being compared to the age of the son. And then Anna is 3 times as old as her son, so we have 3x for the age of Anna. Then the ages 4 years ago, we'll just backtrack 4 years. So we have x minus 4 and 3x minus 4. And it says that 4 years ago, she was 4 times as old as her son was at that time. So the she here will be represented by the age of Anna. So she was 4 times as old as her son was at the time. So we will get this age, 3x minus 4. The verb was will be represented by the equal sign. Then 4 times as old as her son was at the time. So 4 times as old as her son was at the time. So that was 4 years ago. So we will get the age of the son 4 years ago. So x minus 4. So solving for x, we have 3x minus 4 equals 4x minus 16. And then we have 3x minus 4x equals negative 16 plus 4. So negative x equals negative 12. So dividing both sides by negative 1 or multiplying both sides by negative 1, we have x is equal to 12. So the age of the sun is 12 years old. Okay, I'll leave the checking to you. Here's our problem number 3. Annie is now 4 times as old as Belle. In 12 years, Annie will be twice as old as Belle. How old is each of them? So again, we have the present age and the ages in 12 years. So we will be adding 12 years to their present ages. So on the table, we represent the age of Belle as X because Belle is the point of comparison, and its age is being compared to the age of Belle. So we let X be the age of Belle, and Annie's age is 4 times the age of Belle, so 4x. In 12 years, we will just add 12 years, or x plus 12, and 4x plus 12. Thus, it says Annie will be twice as old as Belle in 12 years. So the equation will be Annie's age in 12 years. So we have 4x plus 12 will be twice as old as Belle. So twice as old as Belle. X plus 12. So 4x plus 12 equals 2x plus 24. And we have 4x minus 2x equals 24 minus 12. Therefore, we have 2x equals 12 and x is equal to 6. Therefore, Belle is 6 years old. And then Annie's age is 4x or 4 times 6. Therefore, Annie's age is 24 years old. Okay, so in 12 years, the age of Annie will be twice as old as Belle. So we will just substitute the values of their ages. So in 12 years, 4x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 12. Substituting the value of x, so we have 4 times x, 24, plus 12 equals 2 times x plus 12, so that's 6 plus 12 is 18, times 2 is equal to 36. So 36 equals 36. And we have checked our values. And therefore, our values are correct. This is Annie's age 24 years old, and the age of Belle is 6 years old. Our fourth problem is Jane is 5 years older than Henry, and 6 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 37. How old is each now? So Jane's age is being compared to Henry's age. Therefore, Henry's age will be represented by the variable x. And then Jane is 5 years older. So it will not be 5x, it will be x plus 5 because she's just 5 years older than Henry. And then in 6 years, that will be future. So you add 6 years to both of their ages. So we have x to x plus 6, and then x plus 5 plus 6, or x plus 11. The sum of their ages will be 37. So that will be in 6 years. So we will get the sum of their ages in this column. So our equation will be x plus 6 plus x plus 11 equals 37. Then solving for x, we have 2x equals 37. Then we add 6 and 11. We have 17 and subtract it from 37. So we have 2x is equal to 20, and divide both sides by 2. We have x equals 10 years old. Henry is 10 years old, and Jane is x plus 5, or 15 years old. So in 6 years, this will be 10 plus 6, or 16, plus 10 plus 11, or 21. So 16 plus 21 is equal to 37. So 37 equals 37. And the ages are correct. Number 5, we have John's age is 2 years more than twice Mary's age. The sum of their ages is 32. How old is each? So we let x be Mary's age because John's age is being compared to Mary's age. And we let 2x plus 2 be the age of John because according to the problem, John's age is 2 years more than twice Mary's age. So this is 2 years more, and then this is twice Mary's age. The sum of their ages is 32, so we simply get the sum of these two. So we have x plus 2x plus 2 equals 32. And we have 3x plus 2 equals 32. 3x is equal to 32 minus 2. That's 32. So we have 3x equals 30. Dividing both sides by 3, we have x is equal to 10 years old. This is the age of Mary. And then 2 times Mary's age plus 2. So 20 plus 2 is 22 years old. And this is the age of John. Now, if we are going to check that, so we start with the original equation. We have 10 years old, x, 10 plus 2 times 10 plus 2 equals 32. So we have 10 plus 20 plus 2 is 32 equals 32. And we got the correct answer. So I hope you learned something from these age problems, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share this channel to your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.